This lesson is about dividing 3-digit number by a 1-digit number without renaming, but with a remainder. So we have this number, 867 divided by 2, and we are going to find the quotient, which is the answer to division. Then we are going to explain how the answer was obtained. So explain how you got your answer using place value. So we are going to use the place value disk and the place value chart to represent 867. We have 867 has 800, so we have 800s here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 6 tens, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And because we are dividing by 2, then we need to form 2 groups. Okay. So let's start with dividing in hundreds place. So we have this goes here and here. So we distribute the disk into these 2 groups. And now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 400s in each group. Then we also divide the tens. And each group gets 3 tens. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Then we have to divide those 7 ones into the 2 groups. And we have okay, and we have 3 ones in each group, but we have 1 extra. So this extra is what we call the remainder. So therefore each group has 400s, 3 tens, and 3 ones. And so the quotient of 867 divided by 2 is 433 with a remainder of ones. So you might ask, what if you do not have this place value disk? So the place value disk, as I've said earlier, is a concrete way of showing or representing the number. So let's have a semi-concrete, which is simply drawing the disk. Okay, so we are going to use circles instead of place value disk to represent our number. So if we have 867, so we have 800, so we have to draw 8 circles in the hundreds place. Then we have 6 tens, so we have to draw 6 circles in the tens place. And 7 ones. Okay, so 800s, 6 tens, and 7 ones, that is 867. And because we are dividing by 2, then we are going to form 2 groups. Okay, so because we cannot move these circles around, so all you have to do is make sure that we know where the circles, or we can trace which circle have been quote-unquote moved. So this circle here goes into the first group, and then we cross this out. Then the second circle goes to the second group, and we cross that out. Then the next circle goes here, cross that out. This circle goes here, then cross that out. This circle goes here, then cross that out. This circle goes here, and cross that out. This circle goes here, cross that out, and this over here, then that's out. Okay, so we see that we have 4 circles in each hundreds, each group. So therefore we have 400s there in each group. Then let's go to the tens. So we have this circle goes here, cross that out, this 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 goes here, That's out, and this one over here, cross it out. Okay, so each group has 3 circles, and so each group has 3 tens. This is under the tens place. And let's go to the ones. So this one goes here, cross that out. 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 This one goes here, cross that out, and this one over here, cross that out. Now this last circle, if you move this circle over here, we won't have enough for the other group, so therefore this circle remains as our extra or remainder. So therefore each group has 4 hundreds, 3 tens, and 3 ones, and this is, so we have 4 hundreds, 3 tens, and 3 ones, and this is equal to 433. So our quotient is 433, but remember we still have one extra, so we have a remainder of 1. So 433 is our quotient and 1 is our remainder. Therefore 867 divided by 2 is 433 with a remainder of 1. And how do we explain what we have done? Okay, so remember, we just simply have to narrate or write down what was done. So 8 hundreds was divided by 2, that gives us 4 hundreds in each group. 8 tens divided by 2 is 3 tens in each group, and 7 ones divided by 2 is 3 ones in each group with 1 extra. So each group has 4 hundreds, 3 tens, and 3 ones, and there's 1 extra, so 867 divided by 2 is 433, remainder 1.